Hey, what's up guys? Today I am going to do water test of the new Samsung Galaxy A56 5G. Here you can see the model number and the image of the device. And here you can also see the size of the water bucket. So I am going to put it in water, but before that I will play a video over it on YouTube. So we can see it live, is it dead or working under the water. So I will play this video and now I am going to throw it in water. And I have other phone also for the timer. I'm going to keep the Galaxy A56 underwater for about 2 minutes. And now you can see the timer, and in background you can also notice the video is playing on the Galaxy A56 without any issue. No idea why my camera can't show the display of the Galaxy A56 clearly, even its brightness is full. But you can still see. And I can hear the sound even the Galaxy A56 is underwater from its speaker, but it's lower and not clear. And a device with IP67 rating is protected from dust and can be submerged in water for up to 1 meter for up to 30 minutes without getting damaged. But still, I don't recommend you to put it in water just to play with it. It's meant to protect against accidental exposures to water, like dropping it in the shower or using it in the rain. So here you can see finally 2 minutes are completed, and let's take the Galaxy A56 out of water to see is it working or dead. And the moment I took it out of water, you can hear the sound from the speaker, which is clear and loud. So I can say speakers survived, although I need to dry out the speakers and the phone properly. And the display also working without any problem, but when I put it in water, display stopped working. So you can't use the phone underwater. But other than that, display is fine and responding to my all touches. And one thing I noticed here, I got no warning notification about the moisture in the charging port, like I saw on the Galaxy A55 when I did its water test. No idea it's good thing or bad, but still I will dry the charging port before testing the charging. So finally, after drying out the whole phone, you can see there is no single drop of water on it and in its charging port. Now it's time for the difficult part, and that is testing the charging port of phone. So yes, I'm going to plug in the power adapter, and seriously I'm a bit nervous. But let's see, and I hope everything will work fine. And boom, it's charging. You can see the icon also. I'm glad it's working, and I saw no warning notification yet. Let's try again and do it on the lock screen. And yes, it's working pretty fine and saying fast charging. I'm happy to see this. So far I noticed no heat from the phone, but I think we can't decide this too much earlier. I will use this phone, and if I face any issue I will let you know on this channel. And now let's do a quick speaker test again. I'm going to play a video on the YouTube so you can hear the sound. Hey, what's up guys? Today I am going to do water test of the Samsung Galaxy A. And you can see the volume is fine and its audio is fine and crispy. No distortion, and speaker are working pretty good. And last I'm going to do camera test to see is there any issue with camera or the moisture. And honestly, camera is pretty clear. There is no single issue. Here I am sharing few photos that I took with the Galaxy A56 after its water test. All are clear and eye-catching, so the camera is fine. And this was the water test of the Samsung Galaxy A56, and in my opinion it survived, and you can rely on its IP67 rating. But still, I wouldn't recommend putting it in water just for fun, so don't try this at home. And if you enjoyed this adventurous video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to appreciate my work. See you in next video. Take care. Peace for all.